guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to give you guys a house tour of my house in Avakin Life. This is one of my favorite houses in Avakin Life. So yeah, let's start. So first over here I have some speakers for like parties or anything. Then over there I have a hot tub where I got a diamond. Let me collect it. Okay, I've collected the diamond. Then okay, you can see here's the hot tub. Now let me go here and collect the diamond. Another diamond. Okay, now let's go inside the house. So here's the entrance. If you go in, over here is my dining room where we eat food. Okay, here's a lot of tables and chairs. Then we get out, and here is my pet Boncha. I love Boncha. Then here is my kitchen. Oh, I found another diamond. I have some blenders, toasters, a coffee maker. Let's have some coffee. I want a cappuccino. Okay, I've made a cappuccino. Now let me collect. Okay, and drink it. Okay, so now I've drank it. And here's some pizza, some chocolates, some flowers, some coffee. Then I found another diamond. Then here is a spa kind of thing for your legs to feel good and all. Okay, now let's go upstairs. It takes some time, guys. Okay, so I'm up now. So first let me show you my washroom. Okay, here is my washroom. Oh, sorry, this is not my washroom, this is my room. Oh, I thought, then where's my washroom? Oh yeah, it's beside the drawing room. So this is my cute and cozy room. Then I have a working desk over here in which I can work and write my scripts and do my school homework. Then over there I have this working desk over here in which is a computer to make my presentations and assignments, and so I can see the works. So yeah. Then over here is my vanity. Here's the mirror, and here I get ready for school and do my makeup. Then here's a mirror and a bed so I can sleep at night time. Then I have 2 yoga mats over here. Oh, diamonds and gifts. I'm lucky. I like this. Another diamond. And let's collect this gift. Oh, nice. I got the sink. Okay, now let me show you another place. Okay, let's get out of the room. Okay, we are out. Oh, it's taking a lot of time. Now let's go in here. So this is my living room, drawing room, or whatever you want to say it. So here is a TV and some lamps, some tables. And here is some yummy food like coffee, sandwiches, cake, smoothie, and all. Then you go here. Here is my balcony. I also put a dinner table here. Not a dinner table, like a snacks table. Like when your friends come over and have a like picnic kind of thing. And look at the view. Oh my god, the view is amazing. Okay, now let me show you some other places too. Wait, oopsies, it's not working. And here are the paintings that I put on. I hanged on these paintings, the birds and the kiss one. Yeah, so they're nice. And guys, rate my dressing out of 10. Now let's go over here. So this is my washroom. Oh, I got another diamond. So I put this rack over here. Then, oh, diamond. One more diamond. Yay! 10 diamonds completed. So here is the shower. You can see. Then here is the bathtub I have put. This is my favorite bathtub. Then here is the sink, the golden sink, and the last but not least is the toilet. And I also put this painting, it looks beautiful. And the birds and the kisses and all. Wow, it's so amazing. Now let me show you another thing. Wait, it's staying. First, we have to go in the living room again. Now we're going to go downstairs from here. Yes, sometimes me and my friends play hide and seek in Avakin Life, and it's real fun. Guys, if you want me to do a play or a skit, so comment in the sections, comment down, so I will make a skit of some kind of skit and we'll post it on YouTube and you guys can see it. So if you want to see a skit or a play, so be sure to comment and like my videos. Now let me show you around, like the grass area and all. Oh my god, I love this view. Okay, so here then I put a snooker table here, a pool table, so everyone, my friends can sit and play. Over here are some games, video games to play, so we all can have fun all night if they're here for a sleepover. Then I'm here at the same pool area. My house has a lot of entrances. Whew. Then some more places, the garden and all. Ooh, whoa. Then here are my two cars. One is the purple one is the black one, and the main gate of my house. And here, if we come here again, then we're at the same place with the speakers. My favorite part in my house is my room. What is your favorite part in my house? Tell me in the comment section. So guys, hope you liked my videos. If you want to see a skit like these or more videos like these, so be sure to subscribe, like and share my videos. Bye guys, and don't forget to comment.